channel. I'm Vinny the Handyman. Today was a pretty cool day and I wanted to share it with you guys. I actually took a trip out to AUTOZONE, and let me tell you, those guys are phenomenal, man. We got in a little bit of mischief today, and so I thought I'd document it and show the world how awesome AUTOZONE is. So anyhow, I don't want to give out too much. You guys got to watch the video. But again, thanks again, guys, for making it memorable, and we had a blast at AUTOZONE, of all places. All right, let me know your thoughts.
I gotta figure out why my radiator fan keeps going on. I don't know why. It keeps running all day. I'll park the car and it just runs for about a good 10-15 minutes sometimes. And then sometimes it doesn't run at all. The car's not overheating, it's just a sensor I think that's gone bad. So I gotta do some research to see if it's the fuse that's going bad or the relay switch. I don't know, so I'm gonna do some research on that. But it is getting annoying when I turn the car off. You hear it running.
Okay guys, we're gonna head out to the auto parts store now. I'm gonna give AUTOZONE the first shot to see if they carry it. If not, I'll go to Advanced Auto Parts next. But usually I get pretty lucky with AUTOZONE. So when the temperatures dropped here in Denver, Colorado, that's kind of like when this this fan started acting up. I noticed that the fan just kept running and running and running and running. And it shut off after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then as of late, it would run until the battery died. And I had that happen to me twice. So I did some research on it and it said to check out the relay switch. So I disconnected the relay, the fan turned off, so we're good on the right hand side. The left hand side's not giving me any problems whatsoever. It's just the right side. So hopefully it's just a quick fix, you know, $20, $30 part of that, and we'll be on our way. If it's not the relay, I'll let you guys know, but I think it's the relay. Sorry, I didn't realize my camera was falling with the bumps. So this car is like being in a go-kart. You feel everything. I don't care if you've got the best shocks in the world. You're gonna feel it because you're sitting so close to the ground. But yeah, so anyhow, I've been dealing with the little issues here and there. You know, it's part of the supercar experience. Doesn't matter what year your car is, you're always gonna get a check engine light. That's just the nature of having exotic cars, and that's okay. I knew what I was getting myself into, and you start getting used to it. And now check engine lights, you know, if they come on, they don't really bother you. Other than that, this car's been a great experience. I love it. I love driving it. Like I said, it gets a lot of attention, attracts a lot of men. All men, to be honest with you. So don't get this car if you're looking at trying to get some dates with the females. You ain't gonna get it. This car only attracts the males. It's kind of funny, but you know, I'm also gonna post some videos on an e-gear oil change. I haven't seen one yet on the internet, so if you guys get a chance and you guys have this car, this model, check it out. It'll save you probably close to $2 just to do your own e-gear oil change. It's actually really simple. It's easier than the actual oil change, in my opinion. And it's very self-explanatory. Once you see it one time, you'll have it forever. So, food for thought. Maybe I'll put a link in the description below. All right, so we're pulling up to AUTOZONE. So whenever I go to places, I always bring my business card because people like to talk to you. So that's my new car design, and it's got my Vinny the Handyman logo on there. Cool thing about it is that you could scan this code with your cell phone and it goes right to my YouTube channel. So pretty neat. So again, here's our relay.
I don't know if you can see the part number in there. Okay, so while we're waiting, you're gonna hear the associates talking about a gray Lamborghini in the parking lot. Stay tuned to see what happens next.
I'll see it.
It's outside, bro. Alright, dude. Thank you. It's along the wall.
There's a white truck covering it. Hey, can you see if you have this relay switch?
Yeah, I got you.
You mean up?
Could I get the year and make of the vehicle?
Well, so you might have to check under Audi R8 because every time Lamborghini pulls up in your system, it doesn't show nothing. But it's all Volkswagen parts.
Oh, the Lambo's yours?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit! Can I check it out right now?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Yeah. But it's his.
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't see who came in.
The hat gave it away, right? Okay, so the AutoZone guys want to check out the car, and let's get this on camera. Draws a little crowd, huh? Yeah. You guys always take care of me, so I always put AutoZone on the YouTube channel. But yeah, let me open it up, man. And sorry, it's a little dirty right now.
Yeah, these
That's
things
awesome,
are
man.
just, you know what? I didn't used to be so into supercars because they're out of my ballpark. I'm not gonna lie.
No,
You
yeah.
know, from speed to actual price.
yeah.
If you open the hood though, man, or
Yeah.
the trunk, I'll give you 20% off for the rest of your life.
It's actually really dirty. That's the bad thing with the spiders. All the dirt goes in it, so it looks like shit.
Yeah.
But I wanted originally a hard top for that reason, so you can see the engine. But yeah, I can look it up.
Actual functioning. Because you see these on cars and you're like, that doesn't do anything. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I'll open it up for you. Hold that. and then we'll- we'll
thank you,
go on.
boss.
So it's
Hell yeah.
I love that. This thing so low. You feel like Batman in here?
I did.
I bet.
Yeah.
Vegetable? Or, you know what I mean?
It shoots up like this.
Yep.
And I just
think
had
it
a.
turns, does it?
No, it doesn't turn. That's
No.
what's that? The McLaren that does that? No.
Okay.
That's
There's that
the,
new one that
the
gets
Bugatti that does it.
There's that
Yeah.
new one that just gets
Yeah.
rowdy. This thing's gorgeous.
This thing sick.
The startup.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it sounds so nice.
Oh, what?
So seriously.
Yo. Damn, okay.
Spiders, they kind of hide that engine.
Yeah, they hide it all the way in the back. She's still beautiful as hell, man. Woo. You see what's up? You see how it opened up? Bro. Oh, shit. Woo. Damn. Yes, sir. This is what we do here at AutoZone.
That's hilarious, man. That thing's got power in it.
No, yeah, he's got it fully built up if I remember.
Hilarious, man.
I got all of that.
Oh, did you? We just had a blast with everybody at AutoZone. They want me to do a flyby, so we're gonna go to the stoplight up here and launch this thing. AutoZone. Hope you guys enjoyed that flyby. We had a little crowd outside. That was nice.
All right, guys, so that closes out this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you again, AutoZone. I hope this video was kind of cool. It was. We had a good time. So I'll see you guys on the next adventure ride. You take care. Vinny the Handyman, signing out.